everyone, my name is Danielle. Welcome to another episode of Board Game Bakes. This week we're returning to some of my favorite things with chocolate chip cookies, except we're going to do a fun little twist that makes them board game themed and a lot quicker to make, or at least easier. We're going to feature Anomia. This is a party edition of the game, which is a fun game where everyone takes turns flipping cards over, and then if my symbol matches your symbol, then I have to try and name something on the category in your card before you do, and then I get the card, and you have cascades, and it's just a fun family word game. Instead of doing a cake, we're going to try something different, but also rectangular. We're going to make a chocolate chip cookie cake. But we're not going to do it all later, just a single batch of cookies. We're going to make it rectangular, and then we're going to decorate it to look like the box. You have all the delicious joy of chocolate chip cookies, and you get a blue tongue. Sounds fun to me. Let's get started. Have you tried cookie bars before? These are an amazing thing. Start mixing your dry ingredients together, which include 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. I love the hint of salt that these cookies have. In your mixer, combine 2 sticks of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix until it's a homogeneous light yellow color. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Once they're dispersed, slowly add your dry ingredients. At this point, you can use your mixer or just a rubber spatula to add in 2 cups of chocolate chip cookies. Make sure you don't leave those out. Here's the great part. Instead of spending time to scoop out each individual cookie, you're going to press them into the pan. You could do a 13x9 pan, or I want to use this fun pan so this way I could get the dimensions as close to the actual size of the box. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes until it's set in the center. Let it cool completely before decorating. Since we only need to frost the top of our cookie, just make a half a batch of American buttercream. Mix 1 stick of softened unsalted butter until smooth. Add in 2 cups of powdered sugar and mix until it's nice and fluffy. If desired, you could add in a half teaspoon of vanilla or additional milk to get the right consistency. I had leftover bright color frosting from my comic book bubble, so I just chose to make a light blue and the rest are dark blue. Hey everyone, while you're here, make sure you hit subscribe for new videos every Tuesday at 12 p.m. EST. Thanks! Time to decorate. Did I mention that this is a quick, easy, and delicious bake? Cover the top of your cookie with the dark blue frosting. Enough to have a color everywhere, but you don't want it to be too thick because you don't want to overpower your cookie and make it sickeningly sweet. In the center, make it light blue so it's like light exploding from the center. Next, use white frosting to get the little symbols on the top and bottom of the box. And the giant Anomia title in the center. Now, use all those colors you have set aside to create the symbols for the different cards in the game. After all your symbols are present, use your white icing to create lines back to the center like their symbols are exploding out of the center. Time for the final touch. Use orange to outline the Anomia to give it a nice pop. Now you're ready to cut it up and have a delicious snack. Happy gaming! Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. It was fun having all the taste and fun of a chocolate chip cookie, but in a big block, so this way you could not have to open your oven as much during the summer and not take as much time to make all the balls and make the different batches of cookies, but still get the same great taste. I'm going to Gen Con soon. Let me know in the comments. Will I see you there? And if so, make sure you find me because I'm going to bring cookies to give to all my friends. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!